here. I'm gonna open the console up. Stretch this over here. Stretch it all the way down the back. Pull it around the edges on each side. And there you go. Very smooth and easy. Yeah. Feels very good. Fits very good. Highly recommend it. Yeah, these things are really good for if you have to park out in the sun a lot, or you want to prevent fading, prevent the heat from making the console hot, and just prevent damage overall over a long period of time. It fits on really a couple of seconds, as you saw. Not a bad deal in my opinion, and it's not very expensive.